Hi guys, today we're going to be making a video and it's going to be on this game, and I've already made a video about this game before. It's Slime Rancher. Let me just center it on my screen.
No, he's good.
So we're going to load my game. YouTube series. We did one day yesterday. We might do more games this time. Let's just wait till it's loading. It's taken a bit. A crazy slime scientist once proposed creating cube-shaped slimes, but that's just silly. Okay, so there's no cube-shaped slime, sadly. I don't think, anyway. I don't think I've played all the way through the game. Okay, there. So this is where we left off. It's being still glitchy. I'm all my little slime friends.
There's a carrot.
Uh-huh.
Carrots are healthy.
Mm-hmm.
And happy.
I have a 4-year-old over here. So there's a lot of hens and there's one roostro. We need at least one hen and one roostro so we can have a lot more chickadoos.
I'm in the fishy squad. I'm in the fishy clan.
Let me put this pink plort in. I might sleep till morning after this, just so we can, like, speed it up a bit.
Like go back to a retail. Actually, so here. Cause retail was a dumb place.
That's weird. It didn't let me.
Yeah.
Turn down my
Everyone's saying that Lazy is the new Tilted.
Okay, so 4.
Isn't it?
Right.
I know it's in the exact same. No, it isn't.
Okay, there. I'm gonna go to sleep, and we'll wake up. See if I have any star mail. Nope. Okay, so let's go to sleep. Okay, so it's morning. Oh, you can see the moon. Let's go see all of our ports.
It's your choice. I only need the verse, actually. I already have a green home.
You know what I think I feel like doing today? I feel like we should go and feed.
What? This kid shot me through the wall.
I feel like maybe we should go and feed the Largo.
He didn't peek or anything.
Let's feed the pink Largo today. And then I think we get a key and we'll go someplace. I've played this game before, and if you don't know or you haven't watched the previous video, go watch the first video. It'll be in the playlist. And yeah, basically that's what we're doing today.
Go, please, just do it.
Yeah, I'm gonna get, basically what you have to do is feed a lot of fruit and vegetables or whatever the slime eats. You're gonna feed that to the Largo slime. So let's go get some fruit.
Watch this. It's
Oh,
so much
cute.
noise.
Oh no, little buddy, are you hungry? Here. There you go. I can always get more. Oh no, you're hungry? Oh. Buddy, eat that. Good job. Sorry. Okay. If you get these crates, you push them against the wall and then you get stuff. Heartbeat. If you listen to it closely, you can faintly hear a veggie.
I was so close if I didn't flick.
Okay, no food down there. See, the Largo slime is over there. We'll come back to that later. We gotta get more food. It eats a lot of food, and then it explodes, and a bunch of little slimes come out.
Oh no, I can't. Why can't I go back? I'll even rush. Yeah, I can't. Stop, Addy. Stop trying to pick off them. Addy, that's disgusting. Stop, Addy. Stop funny. Addy, stop. Addy, please. I know. I want you to know. Stop. Oh, you're hurting me.
Okay.
You're hurting me.
Sometimes it takes entire stacks of food just to feed one. Let's go over here. That's the area we can't go down in yet. Let's zoom over here. Zoom.
You're getting everything.
Roostro stretches his stuff like he's the king of the coop.
Almost done. Almost done.
Uh-uh.
I don't feel it.
No, it's my pillow.
It's squishy.
Okay.
It's like a squish.
Okay.
It's like a bite.
Also, if you just hear me talking, that's just the talking to somebody.
It's like a bite ice cream.
Yeah, it looks like an ice cream. Okay. So now that we have the food, we're gonna try to feed it. We have a lot.
Triangle.
Mm-hmm.
Triangle.
Okay, let's go try to feed this the big largo. You can see it over there. If you go off this edge, okay, so I have it marked right there. As you can see, when you feed a largo once, it'll mark it. Yeah.
Why are you playing your basement?
Ah, man, I messed it up. Whatever. Let's go over here. Sometimes there's pogo fruit on that tree over there. Let's get the pogo fruit, and once we have the pogo fruit, oh, there's none over here. Okay, let's feed it the heartbeat.
Nightmares is gone a little bit. I'm feeling a little happy.
Okay, he's not full yet, but he definitely got bigger.
This is not sweet like that other kind. What are you talking about? Toast isn't sweet. There's butter on it. Yeah, but there is butter on it. Did you lick it off? She did. How do you know? I saw her go in. You're playing the game. How are you paying attention? Because she took the towel.
So let's go and we'll get more food. Here. Okay, none I can get. Let's go
I have a gold
over here.
I have a blue pump for you. Kid. What are you doing? Stop! Stop, please. Stop looking at me. Oh. Where is he? Oh, Bill. Oh, Bill. Oh, no.
Elder hen, an old bird whose egg-laying days are over easy. Huh? Like over easy. It's down here.
There's a spider. Spider on your glasses.
Don't touch my
Because I
glasses.
tried to finish you.
Because they'll get smudged.
Yeah, he
I don't know what's
no
over
ammo.
here. I forgot.
had no ammo.
Oh.
If I find a medkit, I'm gonna give it to you. Oh, there's bandies right there.
I didn't know there was a path up here.
We would have died pretty hard. Oh,
Where am I?
Alright, are you gonna... Okay. Take the key card, take the key card.
I might be just a little bit lost.
Okay, now it's,
Oh, wait, no.
now I'm gonna give
Okay.
you some chocolates. I'm gonna give you some chocolates.
Yeah, I'm okay. Okay. Okay, good. I thought I was lost.
Let's go to the What are you doing?
No good
Someone's
carrots.
here and like we get killed. I'm not.
Here, I have a lot of roosters and hens and stuff.
No. I'm trying to look on you.
So we're gonna go back and get my hens. No. And the hens, and once I have those, I think I might be able to burst the guy.
No! Why? Bro, why? These are so sweaty. I'd hit him for 200.
Here. Oh.
Yeah, it's the vault. We have to get good. Loot.
Okay, there. Oh no, my babies are hungry. Oh, I'm sorry. I have to go get you food in a bit.
So we're gonna hide. Wait, let's put on we should put on dark skins.
So this is how you do this. Oh, I can do that.
We'll put on like actually, I don't have a dark skin.
Okay, I can give you my guys.
No, I don't have the gel person. I only have Chapter 2 Season 2 skins. But the darkest thing I have is probably Dr. Doom.
Okay, so I need 18.
I don't even know where you are.
I need 8 more of these. So once I get 8 more of these pink slimes, I hope you guys could hear me this whole time. Once we get 8 more of these pink slimes, we're just going to give them to her. And then I'll probably have enough food to feed him.
No, he's usually...
Okay, so I need 3 more. Oh.
Well, he's sometimes over here.
Where? 18, and I got some pogo fruit.
Yeah. Is that there? Yeah. Do you feel like there's a lot of sound effects on? That means you'll see them from like meters away. Is it going slow or fast?
Oh. Oh gosh. All these plorts.
If you find him, lead him to me, okay? If you find him, lead him to me. No, that's why I need you to like. 1 second, I'm killing this guy. Lead him to me, lead him to me, lead him to me. Is that him? With the marker?
Okay, let's turn in these plorts and then pick up the beets. And then after we fill up the Largo and he explodes, we get the key. Then we can read her star mail. And I'm not sure. I might leave it there. Depends on how long it takes or how I'm just feeling. Okay. So now that we have this, we're gonna go over to the.
Sorry, I can get him.
Largo.
He's gonna be low though, like real low.
Zoom.
He must be real low.
I don't know why I wanted to go zoom when I started running.
No, I'm just gonna kill him. I'm just gonna kill him.
Oh, I'm out. Okay. Let's zoom on over.
I'm not gonna let him reach.
Okay.
Oh no. Oh no. I can't, I have no mats.
Oh?
How? Because there's 17 kids at Slurpee because I marked them all. And then there's just the Wolverine over here.
I've been saying Largo this whole time. I meant Gordo. Key. Gordo slimes. Bon appetit. Slime keys. An ancient key for an ancient lock.
So, I am not doing it. Oh man. Hey bro, I'm gonna get off. Bye.
Johnny Hen has a rock solid conviction in chicken stuff. I need to find out what a phosphorus favorite fruit is, so then it'll blow up faster. That's also a thing. Gordo slimes will blow up faster if you give them their favorite food. I think I mentioned before that Gordo slimes have favorite foods, and so do regular slimes and Largo slimes. So yeah. If anything is mixed with a pink slime or is a pink slime, it won't have a favorite food though, because pink slimes eat everything. And let's go back to the home. I can make almost all of the squares now, the plots. I just need to get some slimes to actually feed them to. So I think I might go to the jungle. And you don't know what the jungle is yet, but we're going to be exploring it some more in the next video. Sorry I haven't been posting regularly. It's actually just kind of a hectic schedule. I post randomly whenever I feel like it. That might sound really selfish, but it's just because I just don't have time, with school and talking to my friends and switching between my mom and my dad's house. It's just, ugh. So we need to make a garden. Bam, I built a garden. You built a garden. Shoot a fruit or veggie into the depositor to begin growing more of that type. I need to see. Let's go over here. Slimes. Q-berry. Okay, so I could just make a Q-berry farm. Bam, that's what we're growing. I think I might tame some phosphors. So we're gonna get soul shield so they can live. And that's all. Thank you for watching today, and we're in the next video we're going to be exploring the jungle, getting my phosphor slimes, and I'm not really sure. So let's read the star mail and I'm gonna leave it. Welcome to the Range Exchange, Thora West. Hi there, Beatrix. The name's Thora West. I'll keep my introduction short on account that we all got work to do. I'm a longtime rancher here on the far, far range and head of the welcome wagon for your local Range Exchange. The Range Exchange is a network of ranchers just like yourself who are looking to trade whatever they got for what they need. Slimes, plorts, food, whatever. All you need to do is check out the Range Exchange machine daily and be sure to get your trade completed within 24 hours. As more ranches get added to your network, you should receive a hearty hello from them, so check your inbox. Well, enough, John. We both got slimes to wrangle. Adios, Beatrix. Thora. That was a nice letter. Thank you for watching. I don't really have very much to say. Thank you for watching. It's nice to see you all again, even though I'm not seeing you. Um, thank you for watching. Consider leaving a like and subscribe. And I hope you can, I guess, wait till the next video.